हरिः ओं नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषाप्रवेशप्रथमभागस्य एकसप्ततितमी कक्षार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. And before we get started, if you are watching this from YouTube or maybe the first time directly on this session, so this is just an assessment kind of session. So for this, the prerequisite is you should complete entire Bhasha Pravesha level 1 course along with the preparation or the equivalent levels you need to complete before you start watching this. Okay, with that note, we'll get started. Okay, next I'll flash some sentences on the screen, and you need to say whether that sentence is right or wrong. If it is wrong, what is the right form, or what is the right sentence there. Okay, so now the first one is Chatraha. Okay, I think you can read it. I'll start.
छात्रः श्वः परीक्षां लिखितवान्. छात्रः श्वः परीक्षा लेखिष्यति.
It's not pariksha, it is pariksham. Okay, and next vanaraha vane kurdati.
वानराः वने कूर्दन्ति.
Yeah, right. Okay, next Ramaha ayodhyayam adhivasati.
Ramah Ayodhyayam adhivasati. Correct sentence.
Okay, it is wrong answer.
रामः अयोध्याम् अधिवसति.
Yeah, right. Next andhakare na khadatu.
अंधकारे न खादतु. अंधकारे न खादतु करेक्ट only महोदय.
Okay, then the answer is wrong. Okay, next
अंधकारे मा खादतु.
Yeah, right. Next saha nayati na.
Looks correct.
Okay, next one more attempt.
सः नयति न is the correct sentence.
Okay, it is wrong. Okay, next last attempt.
नीतुं न.
No, wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one. Saha karyam kritva shrantaha asti.
सः कार्यं कृत्वा श्रान्तः अस्ति. करेक्ट सेंटेंस.
Okay, in my opinion it is wrong. Okay, let's move to the next one.
सः कार्यं कृत्वा. It's not कृत्वा, it is कृत्वा. शान्तः.
Yeah, that's right observation. Yeah, correct. Next nripaha rajye atitishthati.
नृपः राज्ये अतिष्ठति. राज्ये तिष्ठति.
No, wrong. I'm expecting that's right one, but I'm expecting some different answer. Okay, next.
द्वितीय नृपः राज्यम् अतितिष्ठति.
Yeah, right. Next sishuhu bubukshaya rodati.
हरि ओं महोदय.
Hari Om, yes.
शिशुः बुभुक्षया रोदिति.
Sorry?
It's not rodati.
Yeah, right. Okay. Next one yuvam patham likhatah.
It should be युवां पाठं लिखतः.
Yeah, right. Next one vastuni santi.
Correct. वस्तूनि सन्ति.
Okay, it is wrong. Next one.
वस्तूनि स्तः.
Yeah, right. Next one aham chaturah balakah pathami.
अहं चतुरः बालकेभ्यः पठामि.
No, wrong. One more attempt.
अहं चतुरः बालकेन सह पठामि.
No, wrong.
अहं चतुरः बालकं पठामि.
No, wrong. Okay, next let's move on. Okay, that sentence is right. Okay, and the next one, Mata Pakam Pachitva Putram Pariveshiyati.
माता पाकं पचित्वा पुत्रं परिवेश्यति क्षम्यतां आचार्य
Okay, next.
माता पाकं कृत्वा पुत्रं परिवेशयति.
Yeah, right. Next one, Aham Karishyani.
अहं करिष्यामि. Hello.
Right, but you have any other possibility? Yeah, let's have one more attempt.
It can be aham karavani.
Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, next. Adyatana Kaksham. Okay, Kaksham na agantum shaknomi. Okay. Okay, this I captured from WhatsApp just now.
अद्यतन कक्षां न आगन्तुं शक्नोति.
Wrong. Next.
अद्यतन कक्षाम् आगन्तुं न शक्नोमि.
Yeah, this is right. Hope you got the difference. Next, Aham Mahavidyaalaye Shikshakah Asti.
अहं महाविद्यालये शिक्षकः अस्मि.
Yeah, right. Next, Snehah Bhavati Bhavati.
स्नेहः भवति भवतु.
What is the meaning?
स्नेहः भवति भवतु. Let friendship भवति भवतु. Let you be the friend. No.
No, wrong. But I am really surprised without knowing meaning how we frame the sentences. I'm not sure. Okay, next.
The same one. स्नेहः भवति.
Yeah, same one.
स्नेहः भवति भवतु. स्नेहः भवतु भवति.
No, wrong. One more last attempt.
स्नेह भवति भवतु let the love to girl.
Right. No. Okay. It's I'm in the middle now. Okay. I cannot say yes or no. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. This sentence is right. There is no change needed. This is a perfect right sentence. If you are able to get the meaning, that's the expected one out of this. Okay. Next one. Syute kati pustakam asti.
स्यूते कति पुस्तकानि सन्ति.
Yeah, right. Next, ekam katham vadatu.
एकां कथां वदतु.
Yeah, right. Next, naukayaha bharaha adhikam asti.
नौकायाः भारः अधिकः अस्ति.
Yeah, right. Okay, I think that completes the previous one. The next exercise is a little different. Okay, so this exercise I just taken some snapshot from the book of some story, and I have highlighted some kriya padams on this story, and you need to do the kriya pada vibhajanam now for the highlighted ones with the complete with meaningful ones. Okay, now let's start with dadami. So putrim kasmai dadami.
ददातु.
No, wrong.
Sir, what am I supposed to tell for
You need to
dadami?
do the. It is a kriya pada
Okay,
vibhajanam.
Okay, it is da dhatu uttama purusha ekavachanam.
No, wrong. I think. Okay, let's see next one.
No idea.
Okay, let's move to the next one.
Which one I should say? Uktavati.
Okay, you can take the same thing. Putrim kasmai dadami. It should be okay.
Dadami. Dadami means we'll have to vibhajya. We'll have to split the thing, is it?
Yes.
Like karomi, danam karomi. Dadami,
Full
danam
sentence.
karomi.
Full sentence.
Putri. Okay. Putri kasmai danam karomi. Iti
No,
chinta.
it's wrong. Okay, let's move.
Sir, actually we don't understand. Just one example if you tell, I think we can proceed.
It is just a kriya pada vibhajana. We need to split the verb and tell.
Okay, next time I'll attend. Somebody let them finish it.
Okay.
दत्त अहम दत्त ददामि.
No, wrong.
तदा स्वर्चल एव पितरस्य वदनं कृतवती पितः माम् अन्धाय अनन्दाय.
Wait. Okay, which sentence you are trying to change? Okay, Pitram Muktavati. Okay, change that now.
Pitaram. That only you wanted to know, sir. Dadami.
Yes, Pitram Muktavati. Can you translate now?
Pitarasya vadanam kritavati.
No, wrong. It's not. Pitarasya is a wrong form. Okay, next one. Anandhaya. Okay, Mam Andhaya Anandhaya Dehi. Translate that.
Which one, Mahodaya? Mam
Andhaya Anandhaya Dehi.
Dehi. Dehi is lot lakaram. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. Mam Andaya Anandaya Dehi.
Okay, next one.
For Dehi only, sir?
Yes, Mam Andhaya Anandhaya Dehi. Second attempt here.
Mam Andhaya Anandhaya Danam Kuru.
Partially correct, but not completely. Next, Tat Shrutva Devalaha Avadat.
So which one, sir?
Yeah, Tat Shrutva Devalaha Avadat.
Shutva devalayam avadat.
Devalayam, no, it's a Devalaha Avadat.
Devalaha avadat. Moktu.
No, wrong. Okay, let's move. Okay, second attempt. This is bad, I guess.
Shutva devalaha uktavan.
No, wrong. Okay, now next. Kimartham Unmatta Iva Vadasi.
Sorry, sir. We don't know.
Okay.
आचार्य अहम एतस्य अर्थं न जानामि.
Okay.
Mahodaya, it should be Vadanam Akarot. The next will be Vadanam Karoshi.
Full sentence.
Unmatta iva Vadanam Karoshi.
Yeah, that's right. Next one is Satyameva Vadami.
Satyameva Vadanam Karomi.
No, wrong. Second attempt.
Satyasya vadanam eva karomi.
Okay, I have misplaced. Okay, but otherwise it's right. Okay. Yeah, Satyasya eva. And Bhavan ebhyaha mam datum chintayati. Only that much. I think slowly now it's picking up. Yeah. Okay.
Bhavan yebhya mam datum chintam karoti.
No, wrong.
Chintam kartum.
No, wrong. Last attempt.
Bhavan ebhyah mam datum chintam krittavati.
No, wrong. It's again. Okay, next one. तादृशान् ऋषिकुमारान् अत्र आनयतु.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
तादृश ऋषि कुमार अत्र आनयति.
No, wrong.
Nayanam karotu.
No, wrong. Okay, next one. Ahameva teshu yogyam chinomi.
अहमेव तेषु योग्यस्य चिन्तनं करोमि.
No, wrong. One more.
अहमेव तेषु योग्यं चयनं करोमि इति.
No, wrong. Okay, fine. So I will move to the next one. Okay, सर्वेभ्यः आश्रमेभ्यः शिष्यान् प्रेषितवान्. Last one, yeah.
Prashitam Kritavan.
No, wrong. Okay, one more last attempt.
सर्वेभ्यः आश्रमेभ्यः शिष्यान् प्रेषयितुं प्रेषितवान् प्रेषितवान्.
No, it is okay. I'll take it as a wrong. Sorry. Okay, I think I'm not going to try out other things. I didn't get a success rate here. I think it's really very bad. I feel. I think you need to get ready with the Kriya Para Vibhajanam. Okay, next one. Only few. I think 1 or 2 I could able to answer. Okay, but don't mistake me. Yeah, let's move on. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this long series, and hope you have enjoyed and gained some knowledge through this series. Let us meet with some other exciting series again. So if you have any queries or if you want to interact with me or any other course students, please log into forum.Sanskrit.Today, or you can even join our Telegram group for any conversations. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.Today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group, and make use of the comment section below the video. If you have any suggestions or feedback, or if you want to share anything, you can please make use of the comment section below the video. And finally, click on the like button of this video if you like this. Thank you for watching this video on the series. Let us meet in the next session and next series. And dhanyawadaha.